right, you guys, so this is the U-part wig that I ordered. Okay, this is what it looks like. I ordered 24 inches body wave, and this is what the girls are, this is what it's giving. So it comes with these little things. I guess just for the structure of the wig. It does come with clips on the inside like that. So I'm just gonna cut these off and put the wig on my head. Let's put the wig on. Now normally a lot of wigs don't fit my head, so attaching the clips. Okay, I probably left out too much leave out right there. Okay, so it fits. Y'all, I'm about to lay this right now. Alright, so my flat iron is pretty hot, so let's just go ahead and start straightening out my leave out. Of course, my camera is dying. Okay, so I'm almost done. So let's turn the camera back on. But excuse my bed, you guys. I have stuff on my bed. I only have one clip, so we're gonna have to do this one side at a time. So I'm just using Got to Be on my edges. About to do my edges real quick. I took out some. So let's just put this on the back of my hands. Now, Got to Be is a stronghold, especially this black one. So I'm gonna try and lay my edges like a frontal to give it that real sewing look. Or what are the girls calling it? The Jada Way the edges. I'm so tired and full, you guys. Okay. Oh, where's my edge brush? I just bought a new edge brush. So literally just style your edges how you like them. I think I'm gonna put these this way. And to me, the best way to do it is with the fresh edge brush when it's like soft like this. I feel like that's how you get your best edges. Yep, just like. Let me see if I can find my wax stick. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and added some curls in my hair with this little curling one, and this is the final. That's not how I curled it. I just straightened it. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this little U-part wig. My camera keeps dying, which is why parts keep getting cut out. But anyways, I'll put the link to this U-part wig in the description box, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.